run of spoils from this job site where they're expanding the parking lot now. I think the building's being expanded first, and we are going to take it to the quarry and dump it in their dump site. So we have to scale in first so they know exactly how many tons we are delivering, and then we will come back here for more. So I've been working with these operators for a few months now, 4 months about. Starting next week, I am actually going to go to a different part of the state to work for a few weeks with a company that has a project, and they called really wanting me on site with my woman-owned certificate because there are goals. The operator is shaking his bucket out my window right now, so I know that I'm loaded. Caught it out of the corner of my eye. He can't see me the way I backed up right straight to him, so he's giving me another signal. But yeah, that's one thing I really like about working with operators kind of regularly, is you get to learn all of their preferences and, you know, how they communicate. So I'm gonna have to start over with that next week for a hot minute. I think I'll be with them for 3 or 4 weeks, it sounds like, doing some different kind of work. The work I've been doing with this company has been primarily excavation work, hauling in and out, and I believe this project that I'm going on with the different company is waterline work. So we'll be out in the street more instead of in these more remote locations or housing developments. So that'll be fun. The change is super interesting. Let's go deliver this to the quarry. No, this time I have spoils from Erie Mechanical.
They want me to get them 2 more loads.
Did you hear that? That was so loud. That scared the living daylights out of the excavator operator that was loading me. What happened is one of my suspension airbags all the way at the back of the truck exploded. So nobody hurt, but that was really loud and quite shocking. The contractors that were nearby came over and talked to me and asked if everybody was okay, said that really scared them as well. So I did not do a good job taking footage, but I pinched off the line. I have a couple clips that are the wrong orientation because I was grabbing them with my phone. And I drove to the shop of the company that I've been working with, and they picked up an airbag and one of their mechanics replaced it for me, and I was able to get right back out on the road. So that was an adventure. It kind of messed up my plans for video footage for the rest of the day, because then my camera was just kind of hanging out in the box, running down the battery, and yeah, we'll get there. Well, here's a couple clips of getting my airbag changed. So I just had a suspension airbag blow right at the port operator. It was so loud. I can't believe that he didn't like jump out of his machine. It sounded like he was shot at, but yeah, he was calm. So now we get road service. So I'm gonna pinch off the airline to this airbag so that I can drive to a shop to get it fixed. All right, I got the line pinched off. My hard hat sitting covered. I have built good air. We're gonna go drive to a shop, get this looked at.